Welcome to the PC Error Detective. In today's video, we'll show you how to stop a site from playing media in Chrome, step by step. If you find this tutorial helpful, please subscribe to the channel for more easy-to-follow guides. Step 1. Open Chrome on your computer. This is the browser where we'll adjust the settings to stop media from playing automatically. Step 2. Click the three dots in the top right corner of the browser. This opens a drop-down menu with various options. Step 3. Select Settings from the drop-down menu. This takes you to Chrome's main settings page. Step 4. Scroll down and select Privacy and Security. This section contains options to manage how your browser interacts with websites. Step 5. Click on Site Settings. This opens a list of settings you can adjust for individual sites or all sites in general. Step 6. Scroll down to Additional Content Settings. You may need to expand this section to see all the available options. Step 7. Click on the Sound menu. This is where you can control whether sites are allowed to play sound automatically. Step 8. Select the button that says Don't allow sites to play sound. Once this is enabled, sites will no longer play media sound without your permission. And that's it. Thank you for watching.